guessed it, I'm back out. So we woodland camp tonight in the swag. I've just stuck it underneath this A-frame shelter. I've stuck that wee tarp over the top of it. So it's supposed to be a stormy element. Ugh, wee bit of wind earlier on, wee bit of rain, but fine. So stay tuned, do a wee bit of cooking later on, probably be dark once I start cooking tonight. I've a couple of bottles of Henry Weston's, pack of chocolate digestives, and then you know me, I'm just gonna sit and chill out in the woods. So make sure you stay tuned. Just going to be a wee short video of the night again, but I'll try and make the most of it. Alright? Oh, who turned the lights out? Right, darkness is falling. So something at the Blair Witch Project in the background of that. But that's it, it's coming up to 10 o'clock. So I'm going to get a wee fire going. I've not done any filming for the rest of the day, so I'm going to start filming now. I'm going to crack open the Henry Weston's, get a wee fire going, get something to eat. So, out in the woods, yet again. So stay tuned, stay tuned. Fire on. So let that take hold. Let it burn down a wee bit. You can probably hear that wind tonight, so I think Stormy Ellen's on its way. Rain's coming down a wee bit, but it's all good. The night's yet young. So, you know what time it is? Yep folks, it's cider time. So, fire's on. Let that kind of burn down a wee bit. I've got a good bit of wood prepped. So I'm just going to sit by the fire, drink some cider, do a wee bit of cooking, then jump into the swag tonight. So stay tuned as ever, stay tuned. Who's cooking tonight? Right, tonight Matthew, what have we got? Enjoyed that honey steak garlic thing last night, so I've kind of marinated some more of that. I'm going to have that with some vegetable rice tonight, so we'll see how that tastes. Wee midnight snack, know how it is. Time for some scran. So I've only got one hand here, so I'm just going to have to try and, I don't know how I'm going to do this. Right, boom. So let that beef cook down first, then we'll chuck the rice in, then it'll be good to go. Midnight. Bubbling. Oh, I should smell that. It smells fantastic. Right, let's stick the rice on. Chuck it in. Right, as always, what did I forget? My spoon. So I'm going to mix that in. Whoop. Steady. We'll mix that in, and then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to chuck the rest of that marinade on the top as well. Why not? Right, get that wee mixture about, stick it back in the flames, and I reckon that's going to be good to go just shortly. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. How's it coming along? Oh yes. Oh, that's looking good to me. Oh, sizzling. Absolutely sizzling. So, dinner is served. Beef with honey and garlic and a wee bit of vegetable fried rice. Well, it's taste test time. Lovely. So I'm going to demolish these. Then I'll bring you back. Very nice there too. So, can't lie, it's a could be campfire snack, midnight snack, midnight feast, whatever you want to call it. I don't think it's actually midnight, it's only about, I don't know, it's about 11. Well, I think it's about 11, who knows, who cares. So it's going to be time to open another bottle of Henry Weston's. But just chilling by the fire, out in the woods, solo the night. I would like to change the scenery tomorrow, but like I say, I'm going to kiss my pal's bar tomorrow night. So you never know, I might end up stoating back. Who knows what time. I'm actually in two minds whether just to bring a tent up. He stays actually quite near a big kind of field next to a bit of, I'll be honest, I think it's more farmland, so I don't think I'll be able to do it, but I was so tempted just to, I'll leave my car there, I'd just take my camping gear with me and just jump over his fence and disappear into the well, I'm going to say the wilderness, but it's not really the wilderness, it's basically farmland, I think, and obviously I'm not allowed to do that. So I think I'll just have to bite the bullet and just no camp tomorrow night. Oh no! I don't know how I'll cope with that. I really don't. I do like to do it. But I've got to christen the new garden bar, don't we? The only thing is, he likes a good swally, especially, I can't tell, I like rum. I know normally I'm drinking cider and things, but anytime I get out with my pals, this pal in particular, rum, cocktails, beer, cider, you name it, he's got everything, he's got like a fully stocked bar, so that should be good. You never know, I might even film a wee bit of that. What do you think? That's maybe not a good idea. Plus, it's supposed to be a wild camping channel, with me sitting at a garden bar all night. But wait and see, wait and see. Still here. Right. That's the ciders finished. So, what I'm going to do, I'm going to dive into my swag, just sit and watch the fire, have a brew, Demolish some chocolate biscuits or chocolate digestives, my old favourite, and just chill out. And then we're just going to crash out. So it's just a wee short video tonight, just out in the woods. So I'm going to dive into the swag, get a wee brew and some chocolate biscuits now. So stay with me. In the swag. So fire's burning away. So it's not focusing very well because it's dark. But it's time for a brew. Time for a brew from chocolate biscuits. So I've got my trusty Life Venture 1000 flask full of brew, and you know it, McVitie's chocolate digestives. Brew time, and you know it, it's chocolate biscuit dunking time. Lovely. Right, in the swag, drinking brews, eating biscuits. Somebody's got to do it. Oh, I tell you, I love a brew. Love it. And this swag, oh, I tell you, see the mattress in it, so comfy. It really is. And it must be one of the easiest tents. Just, I'm saying a tent, it is a swag. I get into bother for calling it a tent, but it's an Australian swag. It's the Outhouse Rockhampton swag, one I've got. But you literally just roll it out, stick 3 poles in it, 2 pegs, one either end, boom, that's you, ready to go. They are heavy, they're definitely not a thing for long distance hikes or anything, but if you've not got far to go, brilliant. I could just drink brews all night. But I'm going to sit back, just sit and watch that fire. Something about fire, isn't there? Some folk don't like fires, but I can't tell a lie. I just love keeping them out. I love a fire. Right? And I wouldn't leave a mess, as ever. I'll tidy up in the morning. Make sure I don't leave any mess. Right, because you know the old saying, leave no trace. So it's time to chill out for a wee bit. Right folks, that's it for the night. I'm crashing it. So maybe, I don't know, maybe I come back in the morning, just when I'm packing up. But it's good night from me. Good night. At the morning. Let's see what kind of day it is. Oh well, looks as if the sun's shining. Time to get up. Up in the morning. Right, I'm going to have a wee brew. And then I'm going to get packed up. So, a good wee night. So today, like I say, I'm off to a garden bar. But I'm going to have a morning brew. And I'm going to head off. So as ever, like the video, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell for future notifications, and we'll catch you in the next one. See ya.